This is the Reading Explorer Foundations class, which focuses on Unit 1. Unit 1 is called Mysteries. Here we have our assignment for the Unit 1 course. I'm going to go through the assignment, show you how to do some of these activities, but first I'm going to go through and I will read the text passage from Unit 1. Here we go. A mysterious visitor. In October 2017, astronomers in Hawaii saw something surprising. A strange object was moving through the solar system. They had seen many asteroids before, but this was something different. It was long and thin, like a cucumber. The object's speed and direction also showed something surprising. This was an interstellar object, the first ever seen. The object was named Oumuamua, Hawaiian for visitor from afar. Nobody is sure exactly what it is. The simplest idea is that Oumuamua is a strangely shaped piece of rock. Perhaps it was knocked out of a far-off star system. However, astronomers saw that its speed increased after passing the sun. Some scientists therefore suggest a different theory. Oumuamua could be a piece of alien technology, says Professor Abraham Loeb from Harvard University. Loeb believes this could explain the object's long, thin shape and also its change in speed. Maybe Oumuamua was a spaceship that came to explore our solar system. All possibilities should be considered, says Loeb. Oumuamua can no longer be seen from Earth, but astronomers continue to study the information they got from it. It is still not clear if the object was a large rock or something else altogether. Oumuamua will likely be a mystery for many years to come. Okay, in this package for Unit 1, the first thing is this video. It says, watch a quick video about sailing stones, and it's the mystery of Death Valley's moving stones. So this is something I watch with everybody. You can go ahead when you have this work, you can click the link and you can watch the video. After watching the video, can you say how the stones moved? So what I like to do in this program, Drawboard, which is amazing, you can put in your answer. You can type, I think the stones were able to move because of, and you can put in your answer. And you will know the answer if you watch the video. So next, after reading this, I like to make a little summary. So this is Aiden's summary here. This is my name, Aiden, and this is my summary. Astronomers in Hawaii discovered something fascinating in the sky in October 2017. A long, giant object was observed floating through space. This was the first time something like this had been seen. They named it Oumuamua. It's not clear how it got here and was most likely knocked out of another solar system. Some scientists think it could be a piece of alien technology. One strange thing they noticed was that its speed increased after passing the sun. The object isn't visible now and may remain a mystery for years to come. And then your task is to write your summary below. Don't worry, take it slow, write a few sentences, 3, 4, 5 sentences, whatever you remember about this text. It's really good to write your own summary. Okay, next there is a video here. You can watch this cool video about Oumuamua. If you want to put in an answer, what do you think about the object? I would love to see that. Now, one thing I really like to see is if you have ever seen something strange in the sky. Students tell me sometimes they've seen strange lights hovering in the night sky, moving very strangely, maybe going this way and then that way. Have you ever seen something strange in the sky? Okay, next, we're going to look at some phrases here. So you can read through them and try to make a sentence. I really like this phrase, the first ever seen. The object was the first ever seen. The type of fossil is the first ever seen. And you can write your own sentence below. Knocked out. Whoa. The ball was knocked out of the park. He got knocked out. So knocked out is an interesting phrase. Knocked out means it can go very far, or knocked out can actually mean, whoa, someone gets hit too hard and they are not really awake anymore. They're unconscious. So you could even say the ball was flying and it hit someone in the audience and they got knocked out. Okay, all possibilities should be considered. This is really cool. I didn't break the window. It could have been the dog. All possibilities should be considered. When we think of solutions, all possibilities should be considered. So this just means that we should stop and we should think about all the options about how something could happen. I really like that phrase. You can try to make a sentence. It's a little tricky, but give it a go. Here are some interesting pictures about Oumuamua. I love when students just put a check mark and they say, yep, I looked at the picture, I like it, it's cool. So we have Oumuamua. This is maybe how an artist created the picture, because we don't actually have a real picture of it. We have a cool diagram here about Oumuamua and what we know. So you can read through that. And that is it for lesson 1. Make sure to do as much as you can and send your work.